Sa inyo po yan, Nay.
Sino nagbigay niyan?
Ayan po, sasabihin niyo po.
Aba, may rose pa! Ano ba yan? Sino nagbigay niyan?
Ay, wow. Happy birthday po. Surprise delivery ni sir.
Oh? Wow! Laki naman!
Ito po.
Hindi na ako naliligo!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ay, ito!
Ayaw maligo, ayaw kasi maligo. Pinapaligo na namin, ayaw maligo eh.
Basahin ko lang yung message ni sir po.
Ay, huwag mo muna akong kunan. Hindi pa ako naliligo.
Hi, Ma. Ma, I wish I could tell you how much you mean to me, but words are not enough to describe how much I adore you, how much I appreciate you, how much I thank you for everything you've done through the years. You are the most wonderful person in my life. No one can ever take your place in my heart because you are my one and only mom. You were always there for me. Let me there for you too. May God protect you always and give God good health and long life. Love, your son, Ave.
Ay, thank you, Abby.
Puso mo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish mo muna.
Wish mo na, Nay.
Let's go golden sa amin lahat.
Ano po?
Ayan, happy birthday po.
Any message po kay sir?
Message niyo po.
Maraming salamat. Kaya pala hindi mo ako kinausap kanina. May surprise ka.